can see, I'm down at Burnham Lower Lighthouse. Just waiting for the tide to come in a little bit more. No real sunset because we are at sunset time now, but some nice definition in the clouds. I'm not the only one. There's a few other photographers there, but they're just standing in the normal place looking out to sea, so I've come to a slightly different location. When the tide comes in a bit more, I'll have it on a long exposure, isolated, smooth water. But the reason for coming around this side is I can see the red stripe on the front of the lighthouse. Every so often the light is flashing, so I might capture that at the same time. In the distance is the church of Burnham and the lights of the shortest pier, I think, in England. Looks like a rain shower over in the distance there.